Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your Willpower. So in today's video, we'll be looking at 10 new idioms which you can use in your vocabulary or your sentences and make it sound more appealing and interesting. So let's hop on to the first idiom. The first one is stop ironing my head. It means stop annoying me. So, whenever someone is annoying you or disturbing you, you can use this. An example for that can be please stop ironing my head with your cock and bull story. So, in this sentence, we have used two idioms. The first one is please stop ironing my head, which means stop annoying me, and the other one is cock and bull story. It means when someone is all cooking up stories and not making any sense, or beating around the bush. Let's have a look at one more example for this same idiom. The example will be I've been working for 8 hours straight. Will you please stop ironing my head? Now let's move on to the next idiom, which is under the weather. It means to feel ill or sick. An example can be she did not go to school today because she was under the weather. Let's move on to the next idiom. Come rain or shine. It means anyhow, or by hook or by crook. An example for that can be I'll be at your football game, come rain or shine. It's an easy one. Try making this in the comment section. We'll be looking at it. Let's move on to the next idiom. Nearest to one's heart. It means dear. An example for that can be Lord Krishna is the nearest to my heart. A similar idiom like this one can be an apple of my eye, which also means dear. Let's move on to the next idiom now. A black sheep. It means a disreputable person. An example for that can be he was the black sheep of the family, and you can also use this idiom when someone is not up to the mark or not performing according to his level or caliber. Let's move on to the next now. This one is slip of tongue. It means a slight mistake in speaking which happens very often. An example for that can be very careful in speech. A slip of tongue can cause big harm to you. Let's move on to the next one now. Give a wide berth. It means to keep someone away mentally, emotionally, physically, not to trust someone that much. An example for that can be he is not to be trusted. You should always give him a wide berth. Let's move on to the next sentence now. This one is to roll up one's sleeve. It means to prepare to work hard. An example for the same it's time to roll up our sleeves and get the job done. It's similar to how we get all prepped up during exam season. Let's move on to the next idiom now. Cry for the moon. It means to make an impractical desire. He often cries for the moon is an example for that. When lovers promise their beloved to bring moons and stars for them, that's also an impractical desire, right? So let's move on to the next idiom now. The next one is to a great extent. It means for the most part of it, and it's also a very literal idiom. It means exactly what it says. An example for that can be you are responsible to a great extent for that error. So, this was it for today. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to make sentences using these idioms in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And do make sure to join our Telegram channel because we keep taking sessions over there like vocabulary sessions, editorial session which will be very informative and helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.